Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing monomials. Let's start defining monomial. What does it mean? Monomial is an algebraic expression with only one term, such as, for example, 5x, this is a monomial, or like 3b squared, also this is a monomial, or negative 2ac, also this is a monomial. But if we add another term, like 5x minus 2, now it becomes a polynomial, or we can say binomial. In this video, we are only going to focus about multiplying and dividing monomials. Okay, let's have some examples. Let's start here with simplifying some algebraic expression. In the first question, we have a times a. And as we discussed in the previous lesson, we said if we have a repeative multiplication, a times a times a times a, we can replace this using an exponent. So easily we can say a times a, this is equal to a squared. Don't make a mistake and say this is 2a. No, 2a for a plus a. If we have a plus a, the answer will be 2a. But if we have a repeative multiplication, we're going to use the exponent, not multiplication. Let's have another example. B squared times b cubed. To do this example, let's first convert to the expanded form. Let's write it in the expanded form. B squared. B squared in the expanded form, this is b times b. And b cubed in the expanded form, this is b times b times b. And we have a multiplication in between. So now as you can see, the b is multiplied by itself 5 times. And we can replace this repeative multiplication using an exponent. Instead of saying b times b times b 5 times, we can say b to the power 5. So the answer here for this algebraic expression is b to the power 5. Let's try to find a rule, what we are doing here. As you can see, guys, if we have a similar basis, remember that this is the b here is the base and the 2 is the exponent. So if we have a similar basis, if the bases are similar and we have multiplication, we can easily add the exponent. So 2 plus 3, this is equal to 5. Also in the first example, the exponent here is 1 and also here is 1. We have multiplication and the bases are similar. We're going to add the exponent. 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. Let's try to do that in the next questions. Okay, here we're going to multiply the numbers first. We're going to say 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. And now we're going to multiply the variables. And here no need to rewrite it using the expanded form. You can use the rule. We have a multiplication, the bases are similar, just add the exponent. So the exponent here is 2, the exponent here is 1, 2 plus 1, this is equal to 3. So the answer is 12x cubed. The next example, we have 5 to the power 4 times 5 squared. As we said, we have similar bases and multiplication. We can use the rule. We can add the exponent. 4 plus 2, this is equal to 6. So the answer is 5 squared. Remember, we are simplifying. We are not evaluating, so no need to find the answer for this algebraic expression. You can pause the video here. I want you to try to do the next 4 examples by yourself. Then you can check the answers with us. Okay. The first one. As we said, we're going to multiply the numbers first by each other. 5 times 8 is 40, and we have a negative, so negative times positive is a negative. Negative 40. Now let's do the variables. We have y times y to the power 4. Remember, if there is no exponent, that means that the exponent here is 1. But we don't write it. No need to write it. So the bases are similar. We can easily add the exponent. 1 plus 4 is 5. Y to the power 5. Next one. Again, multiply the numbers. 2 times 7, this is 14. And then we're going to choose the like terms or the like variables. A with A, C with C. Let's multiply A here. Sorry. Let's multiply A with A square. Similar basis, we're going to add the exponent. So we're going to have A to the power 3. The last one, C square times C square. We're going to add the exponent, and the answer will be C to the power 4. It's very easy and simple. One more. Multiply the numbers. 4 times the negative 3. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply b with b. Remember that. b here to the power 1 times b to the power 4. This is equal to p to the power 5. Y, we don't have another y in the second monomial, so we're just going to keep it as it is. Y to the power 5. The last example, the m here, we don't have it except in the first term, so we can simplify it more than that. The n, let's multiply the n. In the first term, we have n to the power 3 times n to the power 2 times n, and here as we said it's to the power 1. So we can add the exponent since the bases are similar and we have multiplication. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So n to the power 6, and the a, we don't have any other a's, so we can simplify it. So the answer is m times n to the power 6 times a. That's it for the multiplication. In the next part, we're going to talk about dividing monomials. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.